Welcome to this beginner's mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or sitting cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap. Allow your spine to be straight but not tense. Imagine a thread gently tugging at the top of your head, elongating the spine. Close your eyes softly or maintain a gentle gaze a few feet ahead of you. Begin to bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering your nostrils, and the warm air leaving. There is no need to change your breathing. Simply observe it in its natural state. As you continue to focus on your breath, you might notice your mind beginning to wander. This is natural, and it's not something to be worried about. Acknowledge whatever thought or sensation arises without judgment or engagement. Simply notice it, and then gently bring your awareness back to your breathing. Each breath is a new moment to begin again, an anchor for your attention. Inhale and exhale with each in-breath and out-breath. This can help solidify your focus and immerse you more fully into the meditation. Shift your awareness to observe how your body feels in this moment. Notice the contact points, your feet with the floor, your body with the seat, the sensation of your clothing against your skin. Pay close attention to any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each exhale, imagine that tension melting away. Now, expand your awareness beyond your breath and body, opening your field of attention to the sounds around you. Notice them coming and going without labeling them or being drawn into them. They are simply part of the present moment, just like your breath. Return your focus to your breathing once more. Inhale and exhale, feeling a deeper sense of calm and presence with each cycle of breath. As we near the end of this meditation, bring a gentle smile to your face, acknowledging this time you've dedicated to yourself and internal peace. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels right, softly open your eyes. You've just completed your mindfulness meditation. Carry this sense of calm awareness with you throughout your day.